felt like I was losing myself. For years, I was dealing with weight gain that just wouldn't budge, constant fatigue that made me drag through my days, and this brain fog that was honestly scary. I'm Jennifer. I'm 51 and work in the construction industry, which means long days sitting, high stress, and let's be honest, it's not exactly an environment that supports healthy eating. My primary care doctor had been telling me for years to just lose weight. So I tried everything: strict calorie counting, different weight loss programs, you name it, I tried it. Nothing seemed to work, no matter how hard I tried. The frustration was overwhelming because I knew something wasn't right, but I couldn't figure out what. About a year and a half ago, I discovered Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. From my very first consultation, I knew this was different. They didn't just tell me to eat less and exercise more. They actually listened to how I was feeling and looked at what might be causing these symptoms. Dr. Carazella and his team ran comprehensive testing and found that my hormones and thyroid were completely out of balance. I started with hormone replacement therapy, and within weeks, not months or years, I began feeling like myself again. Once I was feeling more energized and clear-headed, I was ready to tackle the weight. I started their medical weight loss program with Shari, their health coach. Shari guided me through everything, including weight loss medications that, combined with her support, finally gave me the results I'd been searching for. 65 pounds later, I wake up energized and I'm confident again, and I feel like the person I was meant to be. The comprehensive approach they took addressing my hormones, thyroid, and weight loss together made all the difference. If you're struggling with symptoms that doctors are dismissing as just getting older, don't accept that. I wish I had found Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness years earlier. Don't wait like I did.